In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay AliExpress with Payoneer. Before we begin, make sure your Payoneer MasterCard is activated, has enough funds for the purchase and any possible currency conversion, and that the cardholder name and billing address you'll use match what's on your Payoneer account. That will help you avoid declines during checkout. Start by opening your browser and going to aliexpress.com. If you have an AliExpress account, sign in so your shipping address and order history are saved. This isn't required, but it makes tracking and support easier. Next, type the product name in the search bar and press enter. Use filters like price, shipping method, and ratings to narrow things down if you're seeing too many results. Taking a minute here can save you money and ensure you get the shipping speed you want. Choose the product you prefer from the results and open its page. Review the photos, the full description, and the specifications. Select the exact variation you need, such as size or color. Check the store's rating, read recent buyer reviews, and look at customer photos to confirm quality. Also review delivery estimates, shipping costs, and return or refund policies. A quick scan here helps prevent surprises later. When you're ready to buy that item immediately, click Buy Now. This takes you to the checkout page for a fast single item purchase. Confirm your shipping address and make sure the quantity and selected options are correct. Now move to the payment section and choose Add a New Card. This opens the Secure Card form. Enter your Payoneer MasterCard details exactly as they appear. The cardholder name, card number, expiration date, and security code on the back. Add the billing address linked to your Payoneer card. If your Payoneer card is multi-currency, note that AliExpress often charges in USD. Payoneer will handle the conversion if your balance is in another currency. Keep an eye on any fees or the exchange rate shown at checkout. When all details are correct, click Save and Confirm. This saves the card to your AliExpress wallet and applies it to this order. You may see a brief security verification from your bank or Payoneer. Complete it if prompted. Once confirmed, AliExpress will process your payment and display an order confirmation with an order number. You'll also receive a confirmation email and you can track the order in your account under My Orders. If a payment doesn't go through, double-check your card details, available balance and billing address, and make sure your card is enabled for online and international purchases. You can remove the saved card later in your AliExpress payment settings if you prefer not to keep it on file. And that's it. Your AliExpress purchase is paid with your Payoneer card.